What's up, you guys? It's Jackson. I'm back. Am I recording? Yes. Yes. We're back with Nuke's Top 5. We're looking at some strange aminals and creatures. Creatures. For the scary season. Unexplained. And unknown. Don't know what I'm talking about, but they're scary, spooky, scary creatures. Let's do this. Hold on, I gotta get from my water jar.
Top 5 mysterious creatures caught on camera. Something's in the yard. For several weeks, Maddie and her husband have been hearing strange animal-like hisses and growls from their backyard. Even more bizarre, she says that she and her husband have also experienced some random property vandalism, including several heavy yard ornaments being thrown around or smashed. Their neighbors have had similar creepy experiences. Local police have been called to the neighborhood several times after property
That was a waste of water. They left their
has
hose
been
on.
damaged, including a large bush being ripped from the ground by someone or something. On this particular night, Maddie hears strange animalistic sounds outside her house and decides to grab her video camera to investigate. This is what she found.
Hearing the craziest noises. Listen.
What the? No, I'm not scared. Just thought I'd, kick back and relax a little bit. Goodness. Oh, man. All right. Okay, now that I'm listening to it, it sounds less strange. I think I overreacted a little bit. Actually, no, I didn't react at all. I was relaxing. I wasn't scared.
Check this out. What the?
Totally relaxed.
Where the
Everything
did it go?
is fine.
What the?
This is still okay.
Hello?
It's perfectly normal.
Is anyone there? Oh my god.
This is totally fine. This is not okay anymore. I saw that. Alright.
Thought I heard those noises again.
I heard him last night.
Nothing to worry about.
Now, on first viewing, Maddie didn't notice anything
Whoa.
out of the ordinary in the video. But after rewatching the footage, she noticed this.
Yep, that's what I was
Some
talking
strange
about. I
creature
saw
seems
that.
to duck behind a tree as Maddie's camera light passes by.
saw that. Yep.
So, what do you think this is? Is this some mysterious creature tearing up the backyards of suburban homes? Or just some random vandal with a very strange looking head? You decide. By the way, you can see Maddie's full video along with updates to this entire bizarre story on her channel, Maddie Ann. The Creature in the Dark.
Okay.
On an Iraqi YouTube channel, two urban explorers. Strange looking head. You decide. By the way, you can see Maddie's full video along with updates to this entire bizarre story on her channel, Maddie Ann. The Creature in the Dark. On an Iraqi YouTube channel, two urban explorers named Kazim and Munir explore creepy isolated areas that are said to be home to strange creatures, spirits, or animals. I'll leave it to you to decide which particular category this encounter fits into.
بسم الله تشرد والله يسيطر كثر بسم الله الرحمن لا تخاف ما دام الله ويانا لا تخاف ما يقدر يسوي لنا فد شيء لا تخاف لا تخاف سحب على كيفك انسحب بس شوف هاي السواد بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم بسم الله What is that? بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In a wooded area, Kazim and Munir see a strange dark figure with glowing eyes and teeth before they both lose their nerve and simply run away.
I would have lost more than just my nerves. I would have lost all the poo inside of me, and it would have gone into my pants, and it would be so much poo that my pants would have fallen down, so I'd be running away with no pants. Absolutely terrifying.
So did the two explorers discover a mysterious creature? Or is the video just an elaborate hoax? Let me know what you think. The Skinwalker Scream.
Oh boy.
This video was sent in to me by so many people that it would be unfair to credit just a single person. So here are all the very nice people who suggested this video. So, Dylan Anderson was hanging out in his friend's backyard, which happens to border the fence of an Iowa State Animal Preserve
A moose!
that includes a dense forest. He hears strange sounds from the darkness
I'm sure.
and begins to record.
So I'm up at the ridge line right now, about where the fence is at. And so behind this fence over here, there's a wood line. It's about 9:48 in the night.
Are they allowed to go back there? I don't know if they would want to, because moose, I hear that moose can be pretty dangerous. I don't know if I'm right about that, but I heard that somewhere moose can be they can get pretty upset and be a bit dangerous. And they're absolutely gigantic, so I don't know if it would be a good idea to go back there.
So we just heard it scream a little bit ago.
And it's probably illegal, because it is a reserve and that people might think you're poaching or something.
I don't know if you could see past this, but so behind this where I'm pointing
There's
right
a
now,
little
there's-
light back there.
There's a forest back there, and that's a pretty big
Yes,
forest.
I
It's
can
a
tell
state park.
by the trees.
So there's nothing that's back there, and it's protected, so I don't know. But we're back here, and there's this fence right here that protects my friend's yard, where we're at right now, and from that.
You know, that would be pretty awesome. That's like... That'd be pretty freaking awesome, dude. Just wake up in the morning and there's like a family of moose just at the fence nearly in your yard. Just wake up. Whoa! Damn! Animals! Yeah. That would be pretty cool. All kinds.
I don't know what you'd call this, but there's a pasture right here with a bunch of trees.
Stuff. That'd be insane.
You can't really see them. I don't know if you can see that tree or not. Can you see that tree right there? That fern right there? That's a fern, and then there's a bunch of other ferns all around.
I don't
and
know.
it gets more
trees.
dense as you go back.
Well, I do kind of.
But what
I
happens
know
is
what
this
a fern
creature
is.
comes up against this fence, and it jumps this fence. And it was standing, we think, right in this where I'm standing right now. And my friend's inside right now. But I'm getting this footage. And... Did you just hear that? That was it. Oh.
Okay, that... I gotta turn these around because the wire is pulling. But let me...
And... Did you just hear that? That was it. Oh. This, I'm out. This.
Hold on a minute.
That was it. Now, and my friend's inside right now. But I'm getting this footage. And...
Okay, that sounded like it could be real.
Did you just hear that? That was it. Oh.
That was editing. They added way too much reverb to that for that to be real. Unless they're in a canyon, that is not real.
This, I'm out. This.
So did Dylan catch the howl of a mythical skinwalker? Or some other creature? Is the
Caught the sound of some editing.
video a hoax? Or could this just be some other strange animal lurking in the forest? One thing to note is this odd light in the trees that seems to jump to the ground just as the bizarre howl is heard.
And... Did you just hear that?
Some YouTube viewers have suggested that this looks like a strange glowing eye. But what do you think?
I don't know.
Bigfoot.
Oh boy.
Now, no list of mysterious or strange creatures would be complete without a Bigfoot sighting. This clip comes from Central Oregon, where a group of teenagers say they spotted a strange creature walking through a field, alternately switching from crawling on all fours to walking on two legs.
Oh, there it is.
We've seen this thing
Dude, what is that?
Fucking Yeti. I'm not kidding. That thing's, we've seen it multiple times.
Oh my god! It's coming over here. It's coming. It's coming over here.
Go inside.
Okay, what potato are you recording this on?
Oh my god. Oh, it went down again. Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god,
What potato are you recording this on? I could get better resolution through this jar. Oh my. Guys, I'm going to leave this one here. If you want to watch the rest of the video, you can find it on Nuke's Top 5's channel. Some of this stuff I think was definitely edited. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see you later.